Good afternoon. Today's lesson is Chapter 9 Test Review. Please pause and attempt each question on your own before continuing. Let's begin. The first question gives you a graphical number line, and I need you to write down any possible answers for this number line, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Please note there may be more than one option. The correct answers are number 1 and number 4. Number 1 reads x is greater than negative 3. Number 4, well backwards, also reads the same thing. Negative 3 is less than x, so therefore x is greater than negative 3. For number 2, I need you to solve the following inequality and say which possible answer is correct, A, B, or C. The correct answer is A. To solve this question, you need to gather all of your x's on the same side. So you subtract 9x from both sides, followed by adding 4 to both sides. Finally, the last step is to divide by negative 7. When you divide by negative 7, your inequality sign flips, so your answer reads x is greater than negative 2 over 7. So the only possible answer that is greater than negative 2 over 7 is A, negative 0.25. Next question. What you have here is a chart with 6 missing boxes. I need you to fill in the missing information. The first column should have the algebraic expression, the second column should have the number line, and the third column should explain in words what is happening. Give that a try. And here are your answers. The x is less than or equal to negative 5, so that number line should be colored in to the left. And then we have the phrase as well. Here we can see the number line is greater as it's going to the right, but there's no equal to sign as the circle is not colored in. For the last one, we were given that x is less than 5 and greater than 1. So we showed that on our number line and then repeated it here. X is less than 5, x is greater than 1. Next question. Negative 14x plus 10 is less than negative x plus 7. Please attempt this and solve for x. The correct answer is x is greater than 13 over 3 over 13, or x is greater than 0.23. To solve this, I attempted to gather my x's all together, so I minused x from both sides. Negative 14 plus x became negative 13x. My next goal was to move the 10 to the other side so I could get the x by itself. So I subtracted 10 from both sides. Finally, I had to divide by negative 13 to isolate the x. Once again, this dividing by a negative number flips our inequality sign, and our two negatives here become positive. Next question. This one's a little bit longer. 5 times x minus 4 is less than 12 minus 3 times 4x plus 7. Please take a moment and try this question yourselves. The correct answer is x is less than 11 over 17, or x is less than 0.65. The first step to solving this question is to distribute on both sides of the inequality to eliminate your brackets. My next step was right here. 12 and negative 21 are like terms on the same side of the inequality, so I combined them. 12 minus 21 is negative 9. Next, I added 12x to both sides to get my x's together. Then I added 20 to both sides to isolate my x. Finally, divided by 17, and I'm finished. Next up is a similar one. 3 times 2x minus 2 is greater than 13 minus 3 times 4x minus 1. Please give that a try. The correct answer for that one is x is greater than 11 over 9, or x is greater than 1.22. Please pause the video and look over the steps if you need to. The explanation is the same as the last one was. Your final question is a problem-solving question that you'll need to solve. There are two different websites that offer downloading fees for music. Site A offers a $15 a month fee plus 48 cents per song downloaded. Site B offers a $24 a month fee but only 29 cents per song downloaded. The question is, how many songs do you need to download to make Site B the better option? So therefore you need Site B to cost less than Site A. Pause the video and give that a try. Once again, we need Site B to be less than Site A. X is our songs, as that's what we are looking to solve for. So $24 a month plus 29 cents per song has to be less than $15 a month plus 48 cents per song. If you can set up the equation to solving the inequality should be the easier step. We get the x's together by minusing 0.48 from both sides. We then subtract 24 to get the x by itself, divide by negative 0.19, and we are left with x is greater than 47.3, so x must be greater than 47 in order to make Site B the better option for Site A. This concludes our Chapter 9 test review. Thank you.